Hello and welcome to another Power BI video of beginner tutorial series, and in today's video we are going to discuss one Power Query function which is List.ReplaceMatchingItems. Now, in this function we need to provide a list. So basically it's a list function, so definitely we need to provide a list, and it's also going to return a list at the end. Then we need to provide a replacement list, and this is list of list. We will look at the example below, and then we have optional equation criteria which we can use. So there are three parameters which you can give. So let's look at the example. Let's say we have a list which is 1 2 3 4 and 5, and I want to replace the value 5, and this is list of list 5 with -5 and 1 with -1. So every list contains one element which you want to replace with the replacement element, and then another list you can give. So list of list we are giving here with the, so here what is happening, 5 is replacing with -5 and 1 is getting replaced, 1 is getting replaced with -1. So you can see here, so this is what it does. So let's go ahead and try this out. List.ReplaceMatchingItems. So we go to Power BI. In Power BI, under the home tab we have transform data. We press this and we reach to Power Query editor. In the Power Query editor, we click on new source, blank query, and we'll get a query here below. Now we go and say replace matching. Fine. We give it some name, and then we can right click on say advanced editor, or under the home tab also we have option advanced editor. So first let's create a list. We are going to create first numeric list 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 7. Let's keep it twice, then let's keep 5 one more time, and let's keep 9 here. Okay, so we got a list, and let's see what kind of list we got. So we say done, and we got this list. Fine, and you can see now it is showing it as a list, no more it is a text. Now again I need to go, so I click on home, and then I'll say advanced editor. I go back here, comma, next step, I want to perform underscore replace underscore value, and I say list dot replace matching items. So first thing which I need to give is a list, which is source, name should be exactly same, comma. Now here I need list of list. So the first list I'm going to, and that's why we have repeated 5 and 7. So 5 comma 1, let's say 5 comma 8. We don't have 8 in our list, and then we give 7 comma, we need to give another list. So we start a list, and then we give 7 comma 10. So I want to replace 7 with the 10, and then I go, I see this list is also finished, and let's see, yes, seems correct. And we have to now return replace value, because if we return source still it's going to be same. So we need to replace we need to return replace values, and we say done, and let's look at this data. So we have 5 here, and after that we have 6 7 7 and 5 again. Okay, so we don't have any 5, we have 8, then we have 6, then we have, instead of 7 7 we have 10 10, then again in place of 5 we have 8, and then we have 9. So it has worked the way we intended. So can we also use it for text? So let's try that out. So what I'm going to do is, I'm again going to create a new source. So I go to the home tab, new blank query, and let me call it as replace. I double clicked here, replace matching 1. Now click here, and in the home tab you have this almost in the middle advanced editor. Now this time let's do a little bit of shortcut. We say list dot replace matching items. Let's start creating A B C A. We have done one mistake here. If you would have recognized that, where is the start parenthesis? We have AA, we have A B C, we have only B, and let's also have C. Now second one, we need a list to replace, so we say list of lists, so we say double quotes A to be replaced by, and I'm going to say with capital D this time, and then comma. What else I want to replace? I also want to replace B, small b, with let's say X, Y, and Z, capital X, Y, and Z. And this is closing the list of list. Then I close. I don't want to give any other argument. And let's say done. Now let's look at it. The ABC is still ABC because that was a capital A. No, nothing has happened. The small a got replaced with the D. The double A did not get replaced. Okay, so we are looking for exact value here. Similarly in ABC, there is no action happened. For B, because it's only B, it's replaced by X, Y, Z. And we have C, small c, no action has been taken on that. So in this manner, I was able to replace the values, and these are exact match. So you need to have that exact same value to get that replacement. So now let us try, can we do it on a column? So I have this data table in this A1. So can I replace something here, let's say, and do it? So 3 and 5, let's try to replace them. So we go here, advanced editor, and we're going to create a new source here. I can't use the same name, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to call it as source 1, and rest I'm going to remove. So what we have there is data A1, what do you want to replace? 3 with let's say 8, comma 5 with 9, and we close this and we return source 1 instead of source, and we say done. So we got 8 and 9 in place of 3 and 5. So this is how you use List.ReplaceMatchingItems. So go ahead and try that out. Do let me know your feedback on this video. Do let me know what else you want me to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.